Good morning. You gonna do a swoop? 1, 2, swoop. Whee! Meow. That was very, very clever. Aren't you clever? Yes, you're clever. You gonna hop on? Nope, you don't want to hop on. Okay. You don't have to hop on. Can you not see the birds? You don't like the camera. Hello? Up, come on. 1, 2, 3, up. Nope. Chloe. Oh, you're so pretty. You are so pretty. You say, I don't like this phone. All right, it's too close. Come on. Sorry. She's a funny little thing. Very smart. Where are you, Chop? Ah. Chloe. Yeah? No, you're okay. Yeah? Is it too close? Or just a little bit of picture? What? So that people can see how cute you are? Oh! Chloe. Chloe. All right, we'll come back. Oh, she's so shy. Well, they are people. You can let your canary out and fly around the house. Gorgeous.